Struggling to find your way in the dark or power through late-night tasks? Tonight, we're shining a light on the ultimate flashlights, ranging from pocket-sized powerhouses to rugged tactical torches. Stay tuned as we reveal the top picks that promise to brighten every adventure and keep you prepared for anything. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Acebeam TAC 2AA, the best budget flashlight. If you want a stellar flashlight without breaking the bank, consider the Acebeam TAC 2AA. This compact wonder impresses with its powerful 1600 lumens output. You can light up dark areas up to 181 meters away. In medium mode, it shines brightly for nearly 10 hours, making it ideal for camping or navigating your home during outages. Versatility shines with this dual fuel option. You can use the included USB-C rechargeable battery or any AA batteries you have lying around. This feature stands out during emergencies when finding a charger might not be possible. Efficiency meets practicality, ensuring you're always prepared. Another standout is the included diffusers. Adding these transforms the TAC 2AA into a lantern or signal light. They enhance usability, especially when needing extra visibility during outdoor adventures. A pocket carry clip adds even more convenience, letting you take this flashlight everywhere without hassle. While the user interface is relatively straightforward, it takes a bit of time to master. However, this learning curve is a small trade-off for such a high-quality flashlight. What I enjoy most about the Acebeam TAC 2AA is its balance of power and compactness. You won't find many flashlights this size with these capabilities. For anyone in search of an affordable option that excels in performance and functionality, this light is a must-try. Up next, discover a palm-sized powerhouse that fits in any pocket yet lights up the night like a pro. At number 4, we have Olight Baton 3, the best compact flashlight. Compact yet powerful, the Olight Baton 3 stands out as the best compact flashlight. After extensive testing, I can confidently say this little device outshines many competitors. Its ability to throw light up to 60 yards is simply impressive for such a small design. Most flashlights struggle to match this distance without bulk. You'll appreciate how this palm-sized wonder easily fits in your pocket, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or everyday use. A unique feature is its magnetic charger. While it's a bummer if you misplace the cable, it prevents debris accumulation and exposure to water in the charging port. This benefit enhances durability and reliability, so you spend less time worrying about maintenance. Hands-free use is another aspect I love. The included two-way clip allows secure attachment to hats or clothing. Whether you're hiking or working under the hood, this versatility proves handy. Engaging the on button feels satisfying thanks to its tactical click. This design reduces the chance of accidental activation, so you can trust it won't turn on during a hike in your pack. Switching between brightness settings is intuitive, while turbo mode comes alive with a double click. However, keep in mind that the exclusive charger may limit options if misplaced. This feature encourages careful handling and awareness of your gear. Stick around to see the versatile lantern that not only shines brighter but charges your phone in emergencies. Still searching for the perfect flashlight? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have LE Rechargeable LED Camping Lantern, the best flashlight for camping. Campers, meet your new best friend, the LE Rechargeable LED Camping Lantern. This powerful light source outshines traditional flashlights, making it a must-have for your outdoor adventures. First, its wider beam and longer throw provide bright illumination across a broad area. You'll feel secure knowing that your entire campsite is lit up. Sidelight modes transform the brightness, creating a cozy ambiance inside your tent. This flexibility makes it perfect for any setting. Additionally, the built-in power bank allows you to charge your smartphone during emergencies. Staying connected adds peace of mind while enjoying nature. You won't have to worry about losing battery power when it matters most. One delightful feature is its lightweight design. Carrying this lantern is easy, whether you're hiking or relaxing at the campsite. No more lugging heavy flashlights around. However, while the brightness is impressive, using it at maximum power may drain the battery quicker than expected. Plan ahead and bring a power source for extended trips. The LE Rechargeable LED camping lantern excels in versatility and convenience. It stands out among similar models due to its innovative features. If you want a reliable lighting solution, this lantern should be in your gear lineup. Don't miss the feature-packed value flashlight that delivers pro-level beam clarity at an unbeatable price. At number 2, we have Anker Boulder LC40 LED Flashlight, the best value flashlight. Shine bright with the Anker Boulder LC40 LED Flashlight, your new favorite companion for all adventures. This reliable tool delivers exceptional performance at a surprisingly low price. During extensive testing, I found its consistent 200 lumen output impressive, especially after an initial burst of over 400 lumens. One feature that stands out is the beam pattern. Compared to models like the Polytac USBX, it focuses light more tightly, giving you clarity over longer distances with fewer lumens. At 50 meters, identifying a human silhouette was effortless, and it remained visible up to 90 meters. This kind of clarity makes it a great choice for camping or nighttime walks. Convenience and versatility shine through with the 5 light functions. High, medium, low, strobe, and SOS modes are easy to access with simple clicks. This simplicity makes switching between modes quick and efficient. Additionally, the aluminum body feels sturdy and is fully sealed, ensuring it withstands the elements. While you can't replace the battery, charging through a port at the flashlight's base is user-friendly. One aspect for improvement would be a replaceable battery option. Although this means a more streamlined design, it might not please everyone wanting strategy in replacing batteries. The Anker Boulder LC40 LED flashlight offers fantastic value for anyone needing reliability and performance. Get ready for the flashlight that combines rugged durability with crystal clear long-range illumination. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Fenix PD36R Pro, the best flashlight overall. Brighten your world with the Fenix PD36R Pro. This flashlight stands out as the best overall choice due to its exceptional performance and reliability. Crafted from durable anodized aluminum, it's built to withstand harsh conditions. A powerful 5,000 mAh replaceable and rechargeable battery keeps you going for over 40 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for long adventures. Boasting a lumen output of 2,800, we were thrilled to see it reach 3,618 in our tests. Its impressive shine can reach up to 414 yards, ensuring it lights up the darkest outdoor paths. After a minute, it maintains 122.6 lumens per square meter, offering incredible brightness when needed. Perfectly suited as an everyday carry, EDC flashlight. Its two-way body clip provides easy access whether attached to your bag, belt, or purse. While it feels slightly bulkier than other EDC flashlights, this added size provides sturdiness and a more substantial grip. The ease of portability makes it a breeze to take anywhere. What I love most about this model is its versatility. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply navigating around the house, it adapts seamlessly. Despite its larger frame, many users find that this flashlight meets their needs perfectly. In conclusion, the Fenix PD36R Pro is a top-notch flashlight that combines power, durability, and convenience. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best flashlights. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which flashlight you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.